Hey guys, Pete from Pete2Cents.com, September 10th, 2010. We finished off the week very strong. Bulls were in charge all week long. Volume picked up as the week progressed. And the reason for that is bottom line. We had good economic news all during the week. We had a few reports that came out. And in addition, the fat cats out in Long Island, the Wall Street Masters of the Universe, came back to work, and they needed to put money, in the street. So that's my 2 cents as far as why the market pushed up, and obviously we were oversold. We needed to bounce back a little bit, even though I've been bullish on the market. But it got to pins and needles there for a little bit, and we pulled through it. And you'll see here that I'm showing the spiders, which is mimics the S&P 500, and you'll see we broke resistance here. I'm looking, or I would like wishful thinking. I mean, the market can continue going up into the 1100, but I would like to see a pullback to the 50-day, 10-day line, and that'll put you at 1084, 1085. So that's what I'm looking at. One industry I want to talk about today is real estate. I really like the industry. I've made a lot of money in the industry before. I was a financier for quite some time. I did a lot of business in hard equity and foreclosures. And I like Toll Brothers and Lennar as far as the stocks. You'll see here, Toll Brothers has been rallying for the last couple of weeks, and they've been pushing up strong. I mean, I looked at them, I think, over a month ago, and they were still falling apart at that point. Then, I moved on with other stocks, and, you forget about it, you put some alerts. But, you just lose track. There's too many things to do. But regardless of that, I always go back to it sooner or later. I finally picked up a position in Lennar, but I like Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers are the builders of mini mansions. Okay, these guys are very good at what they do. They're heavy in cash. They have a large cash position in their balance sheet. They're doing very well. Okay, Lennar is more like an everyday average Joe home where you see in major suburbs and major cities. So I mean, you got your mini mansions and you got your average Joe. So either way, both stocks used to be $50-$60 stocks. I mean, I wouldn't put either one to shame. They both they're billion-dollar companies. And one thing I like about Lennar, which I just told you I have a position in, and I'll show you that chart. And you see it's been rallying as well. I would like to see it come back, just like Toll Brothers, pull back maybe to the 50-day line. I think I'll get a bounce right off that. That's a nice support area. But what I like about Lennar, especially, is that a couple of months ago, they purchased foreclosures, a bunch of mortgage notes, over $3 billion. And $3 billion is not just a purchase. It was 40 cents on the dollar. So these guys picked up notes and land across the United States for pennies. Pennies on the dollars. So I bank on these two stocks, Toll and Lennar, because, they piggyback each other. Toll Brothers not just sitting on their hands either. I guarantee you they're buying out land somewhere. And I don't know if they picked it up at 40 cents on the dollar, but they're both doing very well. Or if they're not doing well now, because not every property or note is going to fall apart in their portfolio. So I guarantee you there's a large percentage that are, solid payers of their mortgage. And there's the other part of the portfolio that either goes into foreclosure, they knock the homes down, rebuild them, or they do whatever they do, put new communities and so forth. So 40 cents on the dollar, that's a winner. That's a winner in my eyes. Okay, so these two stocks were both $50-$60 stocks, so I would definitely take a look at them. They've broke resistance, and we got a ways to go. Of course, we're going to get some resistance here at $20, $22, both on Lennar and Toll. But you know what? I have no worries. I mean, we can hold on to these two stocks for a year or two with no problem. Okay, guys? That's my 2 cents on real estate for today, and have a great weekend. This is Pete from Pete2Cents.com. Thanks, guys.